Hello friends, in this lecture I am discuss the mechanism of esterification reaction. Esterification reaction is the reaction involved between acid and alcohol in presence of some dehydrating agent like concentrate H2SO4 to formation of ester. It is always known as the esterification reaction. It, so I am discussed some major steps which is involved in the esterification reaction are discussed in this lecture. So it is the fourth major step which is involved in the esterification reaction. The first step, protonation of acid takes place. Second steps, nucleophilic attack of alcohol molecules. Third, formation of protonated ester. Fourth, elimination of water and then releasing of proton to form ester. So I am always given some general reaction which is related to the fourth major steps RH follows. So I am discussed the fourth major steps one by one. The first step in which the protonation of monocarboxylic acids in which the carbonyl oxygen atom protonate from the proton which is obtained by some mineral acid like HCl and H2SO4 which is used in the dehydration of acids and alcohol because the elimination of water takes place in these reactions in which the protons are takes place. So in mechanism of esterification the protonation of acid takes place to forming protonated acids in which the oxygen atom will be electropositive. It's having some positive charge. They tend to be saturate themselves. Hence, it is accept a pair of electron from the double bond formed between the carbonyl carbon and oxygen atom, in which when the carbonyl oxygen atom accept a pair of electron from the carbonyl group, hence the carbon atom will be electropositive. Carbon atom will be electropositive. Then on electropositive carbon atom, the nucleophilic attack of alcohol molecule takes place to forming protonated ester, in which the oxygen atom of alkoxy group, it is the alkoxy group C2H5O negative, the oxygen atom will be electropositive. Hence, the releasing of protons from the alcohol and hydroxy group from the acidic part to elimination of water takes place, and then releasing of proton takes place to forming an ester. It is the mechanism of esterification. So students, watch this video thoroughly and listen to this esterification reactions and their mechanism. So you have any doubts, you can also message on me and like these videos and then subscribe. Thank you.